I never had my bathroom dirty or smelly. After I discovered this trick, to start a cleaning tip today, I will use 2 limes. First we will cut and squeeze. Because I will use only the juice, the acidity contained in the lime is what makes this tip different from all conventional products we buy on the market. Next, I will add also half a cup of soap powder, being the second main item for this tip, and only this amount is enough for this mixture. Let's mix well and then wait to lower the foam to add the other ingredients. Once you are at this point, we will also add a cup of water. Remember that the ideal is always to mix well as soon as you add a new ingredient. Finally, we will also use 3 tablespoons of detergent, being the item that will directly assist in cleaning with this product for acting against fat. Now let's mix one last time. For the use of the product, I will put all the liquid inside a container. Here I am using the detergent packaging. This way it is much easier to use. And the more you find necessary, just go increasing the amount of ingredients. As in the case of using for cleaning the bathroom floor, perhaps need a larger amount. And then just rub with a broom and rinse with water. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch us to send you a big hug in the next video. Our hug today goes to Molly Ryan from Southport. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. In this video, I will demonstrate the simple cleaning of the floor, that even if it is stained and very dirty, this tip will prove useful. Since the lemon helps in removing these stains, this tip is very simple. I use throughout my bathroom, not only on the toilet, but it is also very effective in cleaning the bath area, sinks and even for the floor. Not even between the tiles or more dirt marks. This tip will make cleaning your bathroom too easy. Whenever I receive visitors, they ask me how I keep my bathroom so clean. For being so simple and cheap, I believe you have all the ingredients in your home. Everyone always thank me for this tip. It motivated me to come here and teach you. Make this tip in your home, and then come back here to tell me what was the result you had with this tip. I hope it becomes useful to the point of using in everyday life. Thank you for watching this video so far. I hope you in the next video. Bye.